What is going on, everybody? This is Sam with Troops Mowing, and behind me we have our ramp rack that we're about to get re-wrapped for the 2024 season. I just got it loaded up for one of our crews, and so I would like to take a quick moment this morning and just do a really quick run through on our setup for the ramp rack. Sorry about the noise. We have our air compressor decompressing, but let me take you through a walkthrough on this ramp rack for our 2024 lawn care setup. So on the curb side of the truck, we wanted to get our spool rack, our fuel, and all of our trimmers on one side. Realistically, we probably could have fit like a water cooler or the blower right here, but sometimes we'll have a bush trimming attachment on these combi systems for our Echo string trimmers, so we didn't want to plug up this area too much. But we have the equipment defenders, the trimmer racks mounted right onto our ramp rack bar. I don't know what you call that. But we have our SureCan fuel system. This thing is awesome, guys. You just simply pop this thing off, and then you can just simply fill up your fuel through decompressing and everything. And then we have our spool rack on one side for our mowers. Here we go. We got one of our other trucks coming through, and that's going to be our wrap that we use for 2024. For our mowers, we just have our stand on the back of this truck, and we use these cargo buckles to ensure that everything's strapped down. You can see the cargo buckle on the other side. And then we have our Toro 21-inch push commercial, and then we use the cargo buckle to keep it pretty secure on this side as well. As we work our way around, we just have our 5-gallon water cooler mounted and our blower. And then this is just an efficient setup for lawn care. This truck, along with 2 people in it, will bring us about $20,000 to $25,000 a month in revenue. Super simple, and it gets the job done.